Welcome to Simply Made Fancy. I'm Logan.
And welcome to Jedi Toy Masters. I'm Ruth Angelina.
And today we're making the Millennium Falcon.
Woo!
Yay!
Yes!
We got some candy.
So we made this gingerbread Millennium Falcon, and now we're gonna deck it out and decorate it in all the Christmassy things. We got a bunch of candy and we got our icing. So let's get started, guys.
But first, let's check out how we made this really amazing Millennium Falcon. Check it out.
Give me kisses. You did it! Good job!
Well, that's it. That's our Millennium Falcon gingerbread house. I mean, this is pretty amazing for being the ship that made the Kessel Run in 12 parsecs, right, Blake?
It looks like a person.
It looks like a person. It is super festive.
Let's give it a spin.
We had a lot of fun building this thing. It was actually, I found a template online. I'll link it below. So this has been a really cool collaboration between Simply Made Fancy and Jedi Toy Masters, right, guys?
Yeah!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and check out some of our other videos. See you next time. Merry Christmas!